Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 Ultra, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find the option Security and Privacy. Let's tap. Then let's scroll down again and find More Security and Privacy. And here we have to scroll and find the option which is called Installation Sources. So let's enter. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome, so from my browser. So just find it in the list and then tap on the switcher. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you have to be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. So simply tap on allowed to confirm, and as you can see in my case the Chrome is marked as allowed to install some content, and of course it works the same with all other apps. And if you wish, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on this specific app, the switcher next to it, and now it is inactive. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.